Welcome to 1483 Blue Horizon in the beautiful River Sound community in Bradenton. Through the front door, we have the large tiled living room. To the left, we have the dining room. Beautiful kitchen with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, white cabinetry. This is the eating area with windows looking over to the backyard and the swimming pool. Breakfast bar, living room area. In the back of the home, we have the master bedroom. Lots of windows. Also looking out at the pool area. The spacious master. Also the master bath. Double sink vanity. Large stand-up shower. Walk-in closet. And another closet. Off of the living room, there is also a bonus room or den or office, very spacious. Could be also used as a fourth bedroom. We're in the front of the home. Guest bedroom. Nice size closet. Guest bathroom. And the second guest bedroom. Through the hallway here, we have the utility room complete with washer and dryer. And off to the two-car garage. Spacious two-car garage. Out the sliders, we have a beautiful backyard, swimming pool with fountains, stairway, screen linai, beautiful landscaping. Very nice private backyard. For any questions on the home, to view the home or other listings, please visit our website at choosegulfcoast.com.